Have you ever wondered who that digital doppelganger of yours is, living in the virtual world? Well, let's delve into the fascinating concept of digital avatars. Picture this. You've just entered a new video game or an online community. You're asked to create a character. That character, my friends, is a digital avatar. It's a graphical representation of you, the user, and can be designed to mirror your likeness or even embody a fantastical version of yourself. Digital avatars are not just confined to the realm of video games. They've become ubiquitous across various platforms. They're the faces of our profiles on social media platforms. They guide us through virtual reality experiences, and they even represent us in online forums and communities. These avatars allow us to express ourselves, to interact, and to navigate in the digital world. So, a digital avatar is essentially your virtual twin, living and interacting in the digital space on your behalf. Now that we know what a digital avatar is, let's delve into how we use them and how they impact our lives. Digital avatars are more than mere visual representations of us in the virtual realm. They are our proxies, our virtual doppelgangers, our digital selves. They are used in a myriad of ways, each with its unique impact on our lives. Gaming, for instance, is one of the most common uses of digital avatars. From the fantastical worlds of MMORPGs to the competitive arenas of esports, avatars are our means to experience these digital landscapes. They allow us to embody characters that may be vastly different from our physical selves, offering us a taste of escapism and the thrill of living out our wildest fantasies. In online communication, avatars serve as our face and identity. They give us the freedom to express ourselves in ways that may not be possible in the physical world. Whether it's through a stylized cartoon character or a lifelike 3D model, our avatars can represent our ideal selves, our alter egos, or even our whimsical side. The realm of personal branding also sees the use of avatars. Influencers